And now for our February Wrestlecrate box. First item is a shirt. It is a Kenny Omega Canada Japan Heavyweight Division. It's a member of the Bullet Club in Japan right now, so a very cool shirt. A dog tag. You want to open this? This one. So what we got here? We got a dog tag of Ziggler. And the card that comes with it. And we have another book. Headlock, The Last Territory. This is another big comic book. That'll be pretty neat to read. And here's the card from Headlocked. And an AJ Styles Calling Spots card to go with the Finn Balor. That's pretty neat, ain't it? And that is all we have for Wrestlecrate this month. Thank you.